The Dreame H14 Pro, linked in the description, offers several impressive features, starting with its self-propelled design, which significantly reduces physical effort. This makes it an ideal choice for users who struggle with heavier appliances, ensuring a more seamless and less tiring cleaning experience. Its heated washing and drying functionality ensure effective stain removal and quick drying times, adding to its appeal as a powerful all-in-one cleaning tool. The automatic solution adding feature further enhances convenience by ensuring optimal cleaning results without requiring manual measurements, saving users time and reducing guesswork. However, the Dreame H14 Pro does have its shortcomings. It lacks steam cleaning capabilities, which could make it less effective for sanitizing surfaces compared to models with steam options. The absence of hot water floor washing also limits its ability to tackle stubborn grime and grease effectively, which may disappoint users looking for a deep cleaning solution. Additionally, the H14 Pro is heavier than other cordless vacuums, which can hinder portability and ease of use, particularly for those cleaning large areas or multiple floors. In conclusion, the Dreame H14 Pro combines innovative features like self-propulsion and heated washing for an efficient cleaning experience. However, its lack of steam and hot water capabilities, along with its heavier design, may be considerations for buyers evaluating their options.